Let's suppose your company runs branch offices or subsidiaries in different locations or even countries around the world. All those offices need to apply by different rules, which can be costly. But regulatory and business requirements do not contradict each other. On the contrary, both can be traced back to common objectives and intentions. As a matter of fact, we have developed a compliance model that greatly reduces the complexity of the topic and makes it easier to understand. Regulatory and business requirements pursue 6 common goals: protection, availability, traceability, transparency, care, and dynamism. These goals are based on legal and regulatory values. They can usually be met through 6 core processes: information security and protection, dealing with risks, information and communication management, accounting theory, auditing and organization, transparency and information obligation, globalization and transformation. The simplified model will help to create a basis for understanding compliance and its contribution to business optimization. It can be used in 2 ways. First, the qualitative classification of processes can be used to determine the maturity of one's own compliance efforts. This makes it easier for the company to determine its own location and present its current risk situation. Transparency shows how an overarching interaction of those involved can contribute to improvement. Second, the other approach to identify deficits is the KPMG self-assessment. During this, an online questionnaire systematically asks whether all relevant compliance requirements have been observed. This creates an overall picture of compliance, taking into account all relevant processes. A detailed analysis of results reveals specific measures to improve compliance processes. In summary, the model can help you to increase your company's business success despite many different compliance obligations. So, if you want to learn more, take a look at our website SYDECON.de. We will gladly help you with your inquiry and work out the issues that your company faces, for more trust between your company, legal authorities, and customers.